You need $500 this week with just your phone? Stay till the end. Welcome to Money Hatch Tips. Smash like if you're broke right now. Last week I made $687 using only these 3 apps. Proof at the end. Rule number 1. If I can't cash out this week in USA, I don't talk about it. App 1 Field Agent pays $3 to $18 per 5-minute task right now, December 2025. Holiday jobs are everywhere. I did 12 jobs last Saturday. $187 in 4 hours. Pro tip. Filter $10 plus jobs only. You see $15 jobs pop every 30 minutes in big cities. App 2. Premise to 90% tasks from home. Example. Take photo of gas station price equals $8. Instantly or answer 2-minute survey equals $12. Last Thursday I made $142 while watching Netflix. Pays every Tuesday and Friday straight to PayPal. App 3. At a poll minus 30-second surveys paying $1, $3 each. I do them on the toilet, waiting for food. Anywhere minimum cash out only $3. I cash out 4 to 5 times a week. Set profile. Mail 1834 USA. Shopping, food, gaming interests. You'll get 5x more surveys instantly. Here's the $500 breakdown this week. Total possible equals $500, $600. If you actually do it, comment Hatch me right now and I'll reply to first 50 with secret 4th app real proof. Here's last week's earnings. Your turn. Go download all 3 apps right now. Like this video if you're starting today. Subscribe and turn on bell tomorrow. $800 week video drops.